Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see how we can calculate the atomic weight of first 20 elements. Okay, let's get started. We can calculate the atomic weight of first 20 elements by using simple formula. There are two formulas we can calculate the atomic weight by using these two formulas. What are those formula? We are going to see later on, but before moving further, before looking at them, I am going to tell you that the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, similarly up to calcium, which is 20. Among them, atomic number can either be even or can be odd. What did I say? Atomic number can either be even or odd. Even numbers are those numbers which are pair. Pair number are even number, and similarly unpaired number are odd numbers. Like 1, 3, 5, 7, they are unpaired, which are odd, and the number like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are paired number, which are even numbers. Okay. We can calculate their atomic number by using two formulas. One formula is for even number and another is for odd number. We are going to see for even number first. Okay. If atomic number is even, we can simply use this formula. Atomic weight is equal to 2 into atomic number. Simply, if the atomic number is even, we are going to multiply that atomic number into 2, then we get atomic weight. For example, take helium as example. Helium. What is the atomic number of helium atom? 2. Hydrogen, helium. Atomic number is 2. And then use this formula because this 2 is even. Atomic weight is equal to 2 into atomic number, means 2 into atomic number is also 2 is equal to 4a.m.u. A.m.u is nothing but it is atomic mass unit. Atomic. Okay, now next example, take carbon. What is the atomic number of carbon? 6, and we are going to use this formula. Atomic weight is equal to 2 into atomic number, which is 6. 2 6 12 a.m.u. Okay. 3 number, oxygen. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. 8 is pure, means even, so we are going to use this formula. 2 into 8 is equal to 16 amu. Okay. For after oxygen, neon. What is the atomic weight of neon? Sorry, atomic number 10. Atomic weight will be 2 into 10 is equal to 20 amu. Okay, we will look further. After neon, magnesium. After neon, we will see the atomic weight of magnesium. Number 5, magnesium or magnesium, whatever. Atomic number 12. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. Atomic weight will be 2 into 12 is equal to 14. 14 not 24. 24 amu. Number 6, silicon. Atomic number is 14. Atomic weight will be 2 into 14 is equal to 28 a.m.u. Number 7, take sulfur. Atomic number is 16. Atomic weight will be 2 into 16 is equal to 32 amu. Now take calcium. Atomic number is 20. Atomic weight will be 2 into 20 is equal to 40 AMU. Okay. In this way, we can calculate the atomic weight of those elements which have even atomic number. Now we are going to see those elements which have odd atomic number. Okay. Now I am going to erase this. If the atomic number is odd, if the atomic number is odd, if the atomic number is odd, we can calculate the atomic weight by using this formula. Atomic weight is equal to 2 into atomic number plus 1 plus 1. Example, elements, first of all serial number, elements, atomic number and then atomic weight. Okay, number 1, take lithium. What is the atomic number of lithium? 3. What will be the atomic weight? Since this 3 is the odd number, we have to use this formula, not the previous one. We have to use this formula. Atomic weight is equal to 2 into atomic number is 3 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 A dot M dot U. 7 AMU. Okay. Take boron. What is the atomic number of boron? 5. Use this formula. 2 into 5 plus 1. 2 into 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. A dot M dot U. Okay. Number 3, take fluorine. What is the atomic number of fluorine? 9. What will be the atomic weight? Since 9 is odd number, we have to use this formula. 2 into 9 plus 1. 2 9 18 plus 1 is equal to 19 AMU. Okay. Next is aluminum. What is the atomic number of aluminum? 13. 13 is even, odd. 2 into 13 plus 1. 13 into 2 26 plus 1 is 27 AMU. Okay. Now let's see of others. Number 5. Number 5 is phosphorus. Number 5 is phosphorus. Atomic number is 15. Atomic weight will be 2 into 15 plus 1 is equal to 31 A dot M dot U. Okay. Number 6. Potassium. potassium 19, atomic number is 19. 2 into 19 plus 1, 19 into 2 is 38 plus 1 equals to 39 AMU. In this way we can calculate the atomic number of first 20 elements. Okay, now at first I told you to remember 5 numbers 1, 4, 7, 17 and 18. 5 numbers 1, 4, 7, 7. Calculate the atomic weight of the element having those atomic number by using these two formulas. How can we calculate? We have no rules, but I will tell you how we can remember those atomic weight. What were those number? 1, 4, 7, 17 and 18. These are the atomic number. Okay, elements. Which element have atomic number 1? Hydrogen. 4, beryllium. 7, nitrogen. 17, chlorine. 18, argon. Okay, now this one is odd. According to rules, 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. The atomic weight of hydrogen should be 3 according to rules, but 3 is not the atomic weight of hydrogen. What is the atomic weight of hydrogen? The atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. Okay, similarly this 4 is not the atomic, 4 is the atomic weight of beryllium. According to the rules, this 4 is even, so simply we have to multiply the 4 by 2. Answer would be 8, but the answer is not 8, the answer is 9 AMU. 9 AMU. Similarly, according to the rules, 7 is odd and the atomic weight should be 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 1 should be 15, but atomic weight is 14. Chlorine, the atomic number of chlorine is 17. According to the rules, answer would be 35, but 35.5 AMU is the correct answer. Argon has atomic number 18. According to the rules, it should have atomic weight 36, but the answer is 40 AMU. 40 AMU. You have to remember these numbers: 1, 4, 7, 17 and 18. Hydrogen has 1 AMU, beryllium has 9 AMU, nitrogen has 14, chlorine 35.5, argon 40. In this way, you can calculate the atomic weight of first 20 elements. First of all, you can apply 2 rules. If the elements do not follow the rules, then you can simply remember this way. Okay. If you have liked this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get my upcoming videos as soon as I post or upload it. Okay. Thank you. See you in next video.